Cryptocurrency. Some say it's the future of finance, others call it a risky gamble. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And most importantly, what should you know before diving in? Welcome to @AIGPT_Python. If you're interested in AI, Python, and tech-related content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In this video, we're breaking down 10 crucial things you need to know about crypto, whether you're a beginner or already in the game, and stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could save you from losing money. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that operates independently of banks and governments. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, it's decentralized and exists purely online. Bitcoin or BTC was the first and remains the most famous cryptocurrency. But did you know there are over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies today? Blockchain is what makes crypto so revolutionary. It's like a digital notebook that records transactions in a secure, transparent, and unchangeable way. Unlike banks, which rely on a central authority, blockchain is maintained by a network of computers or nodes around the world. This decentralization makes it difficult to hack or manipulate. One day your investment might double and the next, it could crash by 50%. That's the reality of crypto. For example, in 2021, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $69,000, but months later, it dropped to $30,000. The market is driven by demand, regulations, and even tweets from billionaires like Elon Musk. With great power comes great responsibility. Since crypto operates online, hackers, scams, and phishing attacks are everywhere. Many people think crypto is 100% anonymous, but that's a myth. While transactions don't display your personal name, they are recorded on the blockchain with a wallet address that authorities can track. That's why governments are cracking down on illegal crypto activities. Crypto scams are everywhere. One common scam is called a rug pull, where developers hype a new token, collect investors' money, and then disappear. Remember Terra Luna? It was once a top 10 cryptocurrency before crashing from $100 to less than a penny in days. Always do your research, check project credibility, and avoid promises of guaranteed profits. Some countries like El Salvador embrace Bitcoin as legal tender, while others like China have completely banned it. Crypto isn't just for trading. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos to buy real products and services. Will crypto replace traditional money? No one knows for sure, but major companies and banks are investing in blockchain technology. Some experts predict that central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, might become the next big thing, merging traditional finance with blockchain. Want to start investing? Here are some simple steps. Choose a trusted exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Create an account and secure your wallet. Start with a small investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Follow market trends and do your own research, often referred to as DYOR. That's a wrap on 10 things you should know about cryptocurrency. What do you think? Will crypto dominate the future, or is it just a bubble? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to @AIGPT_Python, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.